Hi, my name is Omar Mohammed, and I want to talk about my CV. I started my education at Jasper Place High School on September 2011. I then graduated on June 2013. When I graduated high school, I was awarded Honors with Distinction, the Rutherford Scholarship, as well as multiple entrance awards. I entered U of A's engineering program. Currently, I'm in second year mechanical engineering. I learned in high school that I had an aptitude for math, but I wanted to take that one step further. I wanted to answer the question, how does a machine work? How does an engine work? These kind of things interest me, and that's why I chose mechanical engineering. I also took some edX courses in corporate and consumer finance. In lieu of having a job, I've tried to volunteer my time in order to make the world a better place. I have spent time at Engineers Without Borders, the YMCA, MAC Community Center, and many more other places. At Engineers Without Borders, I was part of the Global Engineering Group, where we tried to bring a more holistic approach and set of principles to engineering. I volunteered my time at the Jamie Platts YMCA to teach kids how to swim. In doing so, I gained the Bronze Cross, which is a certificate that allows me to perform CPR to people in need. Also, it gives me the necessary skills to save people from waterborne threats. At the MAC Community Center, I volunteered my time in organizing community events such as the Eid celebrations, the youth mentorship programs, and of course, the Islamic awareness programs that we run through the university. I study financial markets in my spare time. That is, I study how to value an asset in the present and in the future. I feel that's important for engineers to learn because when we design things as engineers, we need to know the associated costs with each thing we design. Understanding how to value an asset helps us put into perspective how to value our product. Now, also, financial markets also teach us how to predict and deal with rising or lowering interest rate from banks. As engineers, when we design something, we need to buy a lot of material. And with buying material, we have to take loans from banks. Understanding how these banks will change their loans and interest rates can help us decide whether or not we are in a position to take a loan or should we not take a loan and maybe hold the project off. Financial markets also teach us whether or not a project will be useful or profitable as well. If a project is not profitable, then there's no point in pursuing it because the project will inherently fail. We need to make sure that our projects are all sustainable and viable, and that's where an interest in finance is very important in understanding engineering. I'd like to end my video by explaining what makes me as a candidate different than all the other candidates. First of all, my extensive volunteering has given me a more holistic approach to engineering. That is, I'm better able to assess the different stakeholders in any situation than most other people. Secondly, I hold a deeper understanding of financial markets than most students. I spend more time studying finance than most other students because I enjoy doing finance. Whereas other people might find hobbies in collecting coins, I enjoy studying how money is flowing from one hand to the other. If you have any questions or would like to contact me, see the information in the comment box below. Thanks.